Hello and good evening. Welcome, hello people, to Mr. Monk. You can firstly, I'd like to apologise for missing yesterday's off. So in this video we're going to open 2 doors. So let's open 2 doors. Firstly, let's find door number 4. Where is door number 4? So door number 4. Door number 4. Sorry about this. One moment. Door number 4 is right there. I'm not good at this malarkey editing thing. The door number 4 is here. So let's open it up. And it's one of these ones. Very nice. So we'll open it in a minute. And door number 5 is here. So let's move the camera again. Door number 5, is that focusing? It's here. Let's see what's behind door number 5. Oh, it's lager, which is actually no good for me because I as soon as I drink a lager, it pisses right through me. So there's that. So we're going to open it now and see what it's like. But let's open this one first. So I'm gonna have 2 beers. Why not? That's alright. I've had better. And let's open the lager one. Because why not open 2 beers? So it's that lager to me. The general lager. I can't really drink lager because as soon as I start drinking lager, it goes right through me. I remember when we went to Germany in September, in the pub in the Crown, I started drinking lager, not realising we're about 5-10 minutes away from the cottage we were staying in Centre Parks, and I had to make Rob pull over to the side of the road so I could have a piss in the bushes. That was a long piss, a very, very long piss. I know I scared everybody, went back into the cottage because I was the first one in. They thought somebody was in the village, in the cottage, which was kind of funny. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we're back tomorrow with door number 6, which is there. So we're going through it quite quickly, nearly in double digits. So Christmas is among us very, very soon. It's quite scary that this year's nearly over. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.